What up guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can do your KYC on the SunWave token. All right, SunWave mining token, that's what we are doing right here. I'll be showing you how you can do your KYC and get your KYC confirmed and validated instantly. All right, so if you're interested in what I just mentioned right here right now, you need to pay attention to every details in this video to the end. Alright guys, so if you are mining on the SunWave token, the KYC is already available and this is what you are supposed to do once it appears on your screen. Just like mine right here, once you click on the mine button, it's going to appear to you this way. Then you just have to select this, you have to tick this box that say I agree with SunWave KYC terms and conditions. You click on it and you are going to click on continue instantly. All right, so to confirm this, you have to click on continue. Before you do that, please read what is written here. I confirm that the identity I'm using for this authentication will be the only one associated with this account, and this choice cannot be changed later. All right, so you have to make sure that whatever you're doing here is what you always use for this account. All right, so you click on continue, then you select the country where you are with your location. All right, I'm going to select Benin, that's where I am right now. Then okay, once you get here, you have to make sure everything tick here. You can see these stuff that are marked here. You have to make sure you possess all this quality. You have make sure you have a good high quality video. You have to have a good lighting. You have to have a clear background, no dark photos, no blurry and foggy videos, clean camera lens. All right, so once you make sure everything is set, you just have to click on the confirm, click on this confirm button here, then you continue. All right, so wait for this to load. It's going to give us access to do normally a selfie. A selfie will be required. All right, camera access permission to continue. Please allow access to the camera. All right, allow, click on allow button. All right, so after the whole processing, the whole turn left, turn right, look up, look into the camera and all that, my verification is now completed and it's very easy guys. So I believe you guys can do this by yourself. You just have to make sure you focus on the camera and read what is written, the instruction below, for you to get this done easily. All right, so it's just for you to turn left, turn right, look into the camera, raise your head up, and you know, stuff like that. As usual, what we always do, what we always do when it's time for official verifications. All right, so I'm done with this verification. It was successful. So I'm just going to click on continue now and go back into the application. All right, so I'm good to go. My account is saved now. I don't know if they are still going to ask us for this verification later on, you know, just the way ICE network did it when we were mining ICE. So it's possible, there's possibility we are still going to do this again. But anyway, I just showed you guys how to do it, and I believe you can all do it by yourself. It's very easy to do and something I believe you can do it. All right, so now remember there's this achievement we have to do. I have not done all mine, but I'm still going to do that very soon. But you have to make sure you tick everything here, everything in under this achievement here. You have to make sure you tick the whole 6. You have to make sure they are all ticked. So make sure you do them by just clicking on them. I've already claimed my nickname. I've already started earning. I've not changed my profile picture. I'm going to do that. Follow them on X, join the Telegram group. Then you can invite 5 friends. I've already done this. Invite 5 friends is done. All right, so you just have to do these things so that your account will be fully validated for any other transaction that is going to be coming up in the nearest future on this SunWave mining app. All right, so guys, in case you've not yet started mining, you can still join us because this is still fresh, this is still new. You can join us. It's not yet up to a month, it's not yet up to 3 weeks. So guys, you can still hop on this and acquire some of the SunWave token for free right here right now. Remember, we mined ICE for completely free and we were giving all we mined we're giving all the token we mine. So same thing applies to the SunWave token, so do not miss it. Hop on it right now. Okay, the link is in the description anyway if you are interested in this mining. All right, so guys, If you like what I showed you, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign where you get notified each time I upload another brand new mining application or anything about cryptocurrency or how you can make money online. So guys, I see you again in my next video. Bye.